everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making some coconut sweet rice, and today's episode is being sponsored by BDC's West Indian Supermarket in Lauderhill, Florida. Here you can find everything Caribbean. So let's jump into this recipe. It's so easy to make. We're starting in our saucepan with 2 cups of water. We're going to bring the water up to a boil and add in 3/4 cups of washed white rice. In goes ghee. Now I like using the Anchor ghee, it's the best ghee. Next goes in 1 cinnamon stick. And I'm also going to add in a ciliment leaf, also known as a bay leaf or pimenta racesmosa leaf. We're going to just crinkle that to release the oils in the leaf. And we're going to allow this to boil until it's soft. Now when your rice is soft, you're going to add in your evaporated milk. Now here I'm using coconut evaporated milk. If you don't have this, you can use regular evaporated milk. And I'm using condensed milk. If you can find coconut condensed milk, you can use that also. Next, I'm going to grate in some fresh nutmeg. I love to put fresh nutmeg. It does make a difference with the taste. In goes fresh ginger. And I'm going to add in 1 pack of this coconut milk powder, which is 50 grams. And we're going to mix that in. Make sure there are no lumps. In goes some cardamom or elaichi, and you guys can play around with the spices and add as much or as little as you like. Give this a mix. I'm just going to check on the rice. You see it started to cook, and now we added all those milk, so now we're going to allow it to continue to cook and soften further. The milk is going to start to reduce. I'm going to check one of the rice grains. It still needs a little more cooking, so I'm going to let it cook for about 5 more minutes. That milk is going to thicken, and I'm not going to let this cook down where the milk is really thick, because as it cools it will start to thicken up further, and you don't want it to be too thick. I like it this consistency, so when it cools it's the perfect consistency. So this is finished. Now remember, you cannot taste this if you're using it for puja, and all you have to do now is empty it into your serving bowl and set it aside. This is used for Mother Lakshmi Puja, sometimes Saraswati Puja also, and it's what we use on Diwali day to offer for puja. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Garnish with your favorite toppings. I'm using some organic rose petals also. And that's it. So if you guys try any of my recipes, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see what you make. Thank you again, and do remember to stay safe.